Here's a breakdown of popular mid-range kitchen faucet brands based on price, durability, ease of installation, and overall homeowner satisfaction. 1. Moen. Average price range $90 to $250. Best for easy installation, durable finish, long-term warranty. Pros. Excellent reputation for reliability. Many models include a lifetime limited warranty. Magnetic docking on pull-down models is smooth and secure. Cons. Some models use more plastic components. Design styles are more traditional than trendy. Verdict. One of the safest choices for homeowners who want a hassle-free faucet that lasts. 2. Delta. Average price range $100 to $275. Best for stylish designs, easy cleaning, technology features. Pros. Touch clean spray holes, great for hard water areas. Good balance between aesthetics and performance. Optional Touch 2.0 technology for hands-free use. Cons. Touch 2.0 models are pricier and require batteries. Some users report leaks after several years if not maintained. Verdict. Great for homeowners who want style and smart features without going over budget. 3. Kohler. Average price range $120 to $300. Best for sleek design, powerful spray functions. Pros. Premium finishes and modern aesthetics. Strong water pressure on most models. Good customer service and replacement parts availability. Cons. Can be harder to install for DIYers. More expensive compared to similar function brands. Verdict. Ideal for kitchens with a modern or designer look, but expect to pay a little more. 4. American Standard. Average price range $70 to $200. Best for budget-conscious homeowners looking for solid performance. Pros. Affordable without sacrificing basic quality. Simple installation and solid construction. Less plastic than similarly priced competitors. Cons. Fewer style options. Not as sleek as Kohler or Delta in design. Verdict. Practical and dependable, especially for rentals or secondary kitchens. 5. Glacier Bay, Home Depot brand. Average price range $60 to $130. Best for low-budget installations. Pros. Very affordable. Good warranty coverage through Home Depot. Easy to install. Cons. Limited lifespan, often 3 to 5 years. Finish and components feel cheaper. Verdict. Good short-term option, but not recommended for high-use or high-end kitchens.